Today, we will learn about the extraordinary talent of a girl named Maya. We will see how she unites a village and brings back hope and joy to their lives.
Here's a short story for you. In a small village surrounded by lush green forests and serene lakes, there lived a young girl named Maya. She was known for her kindness and generosity towards everyone in the village. Maya had a special talent for storytelling, and she would often gather the children around her to tell tales of adventure and magic. One day, a severe storm hit the village, causing widespread destruction and displacing many families. Maya's house was one of those severely damaged, leaving her with nothing but the clothes on her back. Despite her own loss, Maya decided to use her storytelling talent to bring hope and joy to the other children who were suffering from the aftermath of the storm. Maya set up a makeshift storytelling corner under a large tree and began to tell enchanting stories of brave heroes, magical creatures, and far-off lands. The children gathered around her, mesmerized by her tales, and for a while, they forgot about the storm's devastation. Maya's stories brought comfort, hope, and happiness to the children, helping them cope with the difficult situation. As the village began to rebuild, Maya's storytelling corner became a beloved spot for children to gather and dream. Maya's kindness and talent had brought the community closer together, and her stories continued to inspire hope and resilience in the face of adversity.